Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Naki. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Dev++ for our C++ course, the programming in tree course. Yeah. So first thing, you open any of your favorite browser, whether Google Chrome, Internet Explorer is no more in use. So we have Microsoft Edge, then Firefox. So any of them, then you just search for dev C++. I think you can add it together, dev C++. Okay, so this is their main website, that dev www.cloudshade.net. You use that one. I think it will later send us to SourceForge to download the software. So we have different versions. We have the version 5 here. If you want the version 4.2.2, you can download it from the archives. So I'll stick with the version 5. Click on this one to redirect us to SourceForge. Then we wait for it to automatically download. So let's wait for some time for the software to download. Alright. Okay, so it's only 8.9 megabytes. So it's gonna be downloaded some more time. Setup is ready. You can just open the file straight from here, or you can go to your file explorer. There's it. Just double click on this one. You can close this for now. Let me do this. Alright, so this is the setup. It says welcome to this install. Do not install. We don't have dev++ already installed, so just click on OK. Give it some time to finish. Okay, select the language. We stick with the English. Yeah, you can read this one. You can just go through. Click on agree. Next. Okay, let's maintain the current destination for now. So wait for the software to install. Alright, let's try this one. Say, do you want to install for all users? No, just for this user. So we stick with this user account. Okay. We don't want to run it right now, so click on finish. Yeah, that's it. So our dev++ is ready to use. We can go to the start menu. You can search for dev. You see we have dev++ here. When you go to the start menu, it is showing up as recently added. Click on that to open it. Alright, this is the beta version. So there may be some bugs inside or something like that. Okay, we are now going to try it, so no problem. English. Next, can retrieve information from header files to help you function classes, blah blah blah. Though yes, let's stick with that. Create a cache now. Don't create cache. Do you want to create a code completion cache? Let's maintain the default ones. Okay, so once everything is done, just click on OK. Wait for the interface to open. So let me close the background here. Okay, tip of the day, something like that. Close this one. Okay, so this is how the ID look like. This is it. In the next video, we start creating projects and working with C++. So we have new. We can create a project. We have source file here. When you click on project, this is what to give you. You can choose console application, select C++, click on OK. Oh, should have given it a project name, but to auto use it. Okay, so project one, let's use that one. Yeah, then we get this. Alright, so this is it. Int main, some arguments, other stuffs. You can modify this later. Okay, this is the new version, so some of these things are new. CSD library, something like that. But for now, or for startup, we're gonna remove some of these things. Then do as we move on, then we add new stuff to it. When go to new, go to source file to um, let me see. Okay, I think we'll use the source file for now. Yeah. So this is how we can install Dev++ and start using it. In the next video, we will start looking at the features of Dev++, how we can navigate our ways through if you want to execute a code or if you want to create a new project, something like that. Yeah, we look at that. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye.